distribute? Here and here. What's negative 1/3 times negative 3x? Negative 3 over negative 3. So I just have x, right? Negative 1/3 times negative 9. 9 over 3, so plus 3. And then minus 3 equals x. What do you notice? What do you wonder? You notice they're the same. Anybody else notice anything? We did fog and then we did Goff. Good. What do you wonder? Why they're both equal to x? Good. Do you have to write something different? What? This one? Okay. So just that's how the numbers figured out, right? So you wonder, somebody wondered if they have to be the same. Do they? Not only do they have to be the same, they both have to equal x. When they both equal x, what did you just prove? That they are inverses. Okay, that's what you just proved. The directions of this problem, remember, were verified that these two are inverses. We verified them because when we did Fogg and Goff, they both equaled x. So what can you tell me about this F and G? They are not inverses. Okay, here's the thing about it though. If I said to you, verify that these two are inverses, and you did Fogg and you got 2x squared plus 7, do you have to do Goff? No, absolutely not, because you already know that this one's not x. Guys, it's not even that they have to be the same, it's that they both have to be x. If you get one that's not x, you don't have to do the other one because you already know that they're not inverses. Does that make sense? Fogg and Goff. When you do Fogg and Goff, that verifies that two functions are inverses of each other. That's one of the major importances of Fogg and Goff. Yes, ma'am? They are inverses, yes. If they're not, if even one of them is not x, then they are not inverses. Correct. Not an inverse. Here. Thank you. Okay, I just want to make it clear that this is not frog, it's just fog. Okay, not frog, but fog. Fogg and Goff. Just making sure. Yes, it's possible. You said frog again. Yeah, that's okay. Fogg and Goff. Now, listen to me. Listen to me. I'm getting a good question. Okay? What if you do Fogg and you get x? Do you have to do Goff? Yes. Okay, that's when you do have to do Goff. Okay? Guys, it's not frog. It's not frog, I promise. Okay? On the worksheet I just handed you, did everybody get one? Please circle the following numbers. Number 1. Number 2. Number 18. Please don't freak out that it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 17. Okay? Just don't do it. 23, 24. Turn it over to the back. Please do number 31 and 37, which is directly underneath it. And then 61. And then 79. Okay? On the ones that you were doing operations of functions, like number 23, please remember that you do need to write the domain. Composition of functions, you do not. Okay? But before I let you go, there's one more thing that we need to talk about real quick, because I don't want you to panic when you get there. Back up here, you remember when we did f of x and then we did f of 2? What if I also right here told you that g of x was x minus 1? And then what if I asked for f of G of 3. Could you do that? Where do I start? I start with G of 3, right? And I take 3 and put it in right here. So I would say 3 minus 1, which is 2. So G of 3 is 2. What do I do with 2? I found G of 3, that equals 2. I put 2 into F. So 7 times 2 minus 3. So 14 minus 3, which is 11. And 11 is the final answer. Okay? Any questions?